Your Roku should check for updates every day and install updates automatically. Now, if you're for some reason not getting your updates, there's a few things that you need to know. Updates are going to install in the middle of the night, typically between 2 and 4 a.m. when it thinks that you're not using those. So if your Roku device is on a smart strip or anything that turns the power off in that time period, you're never going to get your update. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now, I'll show you real quick where you'll check for your updates. So settings, and you're going to scroll down to system, and then here software update, and then check now to see if there is a software. Obviously mine's up to date because I just checked it. Now, if it wasn't up to date, you would be able to manually run that software update now. If you're still getting errors doing this, you need to check your Wi-Fi. So we're going to go back to our settings. No, actually it is in system still. No, it's not. We're going to network. That's right. There it is. Network. So settings, network, check your connection, okay? This is going to make sure that you have strong enough Wi-Fi in place to actually run that update. Now, if your signal comes back as poor, you need to either move your router closer to the TV, move your TV closer to the router, plug the router directly into the TV, or do anything we can to make sure that our signal strength, which mine is currently excellent, is as good as it possibly can be, okay? Now, if that doesn't work, if all else fails, we're going to have to move to the nuclear option, which is a factory reset, unfortunately. So we'll go to System, Advanced System Settings, Factory Reset. Here, you put in your code, and then you would reset it back to factory, which is going to be when it was purchased. So the day you bought it is the what will download, right? And you might have to go in, check for an update, and run that update to make sure that it is on the most recent software. And the last thing I'll show you is how to check which software version it is. You see the third one down, 15.2. So you'll see exactly what version you're running. So that's all I have, guys. I hope it helps. If it does, like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.